What's up, guys, and welcome back to GNCRC. Today, guys, we have something new. So this particular box, guys, I had to move it to the front of the line because I got a whole lot of other things that kind of are in this category and I can kind of get it done at the same time. As I stated in another video, it's been really busy at work, so I hadn't had a chance to get to these things. This particular one, I probably had it now, probably about 10 days now. Just hadn't had a chance to get around to opening it up. I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you guys and let you see what we have. For the ones that guessed SCX30, you had it right. I don't think you guys understand how tiny this thing is. When I tell you tiny, it is tiny. I'm going to use my latest build to give you guys a perspective of how small it is. If you guys want to see this build, go ahead and click that video right above. Check that out. When I say tiny, it is tiny. I love micros, guys, but I don't know how much I'm going to love working on this thing. For right now, we're going to keep this thing stock, and I'm going to just have some fun with it just the way it is. It is one thing I'm going to do with this, but it's not going to affect the performance. Not too sure how that's showing up on camera, but I'm assuming you guys can see what I did to it. And I kind of screwed it up on the hood, but I removed most of it. I don't know if you can see it, because it's pretty much gone. I thought that brought out some of the details. I'm pretty much going to keep this thing stock for right now. Of course, you guys do know I want to go brushless, and I'm going to wait on some upgrades. One of my buddies that do chassis, I'm not going to call his name, most of you guys already know who I'm talking about. He may be doing something for it pretty soon, so I'm going to kind of wait around. I am going to do some wheels and tires pretty soon. But as of right now, we're just going to crawl this thing and see how well it does. Okay, guys, we did this video a little bit different. I'm doing a voiceover because we were doing a lot of talking in the background, so the audio probably wasn't going to be that great. And right now, Tim with Muncher RC is driving this truck. I'll put a link to his Instagram below. He has some really cool builds, so you guys make sure you go and check him out. Mind you guys, this course is a 124 course, but most of the guys that run here drive 118 scales, and everybody else have like really large SCX24 builds that are like extremely large, oversized. So in other words, this rig is doing really well for the size of the course. And of course, Tim really makes it look really easy. This is an area where they have the pea gravel, and we were just checking it out. Didn't sink it all, didn't spin it all, because this is really light, it's tiny. So check this area out, guys. I was really impressed. I didn't think it was gonna make it, but it did really well. Stock configuration, that servo has more than enough power to do what it needs to do. Now, of course, when we start putting upgrades on it, that might not be a true statement, but for us right now, it does really well. At this point, we took the body off because that body is really heavy. Just to see how much better it would do without the body. Now, I can't remember who's driving it now. I don't think it was Tim. I think it's one of the other guys. It was like 3 different guys that actually drove it. Okay guys, you saw it for yourself. The truck does really well for what it is. It's really tiny, guys. So who is this rig meant for? To me, guys, it's gonna be meant for the people that don't have a local course, the people that are snowed in, or they just don't have time to get to the course. People like me. Pull this thing out, put it on your desk, put down pretty much anything that's pretty small and crawl over it. Now, do I see a future in this? Yes, I do. Because there's gonna be a whole lot of things you can do to it and make it really capable. Man, this thing looks like it's gonna be a handful of fun. The one thing that's really holding this thing back out of the box, especially this Jeep, is this body. This body is heavy. I'm pretty sure this body weighs more than my cliffhanger body. I could be wrong. If you like this video and you do want to see more, make sure you let me know below in the comments. Hit that like button for me, guys. I'm going to have a whole lot more content coming on this, as well as a whole bunch of other things. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.